Hey everyone, yo, what's up? This is Daniel here speaking again, and welcome back to the Let Go Boss weekly. Well, it's not weekly, but I post automations when I can. So, a lot of people have been asking me lately, Daniel, how can we do this in our Facebook and Instagram where when someone comments this, it's gonna shoot them a reply with a PDF or something. And yeah, it's actually comment automation. If you've seen that in other influencers, like they always see DM guide below, and I'll send you the guide into your email and in your DM, blah 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 blah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a Facebook page, a dummy Facebook page, and then we're gonna create a post, and then I'm gonna show you how the comment automation works so you can build it yourself. And next is we're gonna talk about the advantage and the beauty of it. All right, good deal. So okay, now I'm gonna share my screen here. Okay, so we have a sample page. It's called Bazaar. It's actually a fun fact. I used to build mobile apps. So I built a mobile app called Bazaar. It's kind of like a food delivery software, but wasn't able to continue with it. So let's play around with it. So number one, let's go to the engine. We're gonna do three things. Number one is to set up. Number two is we're gonna build the automation. Then third is we're gonna test it out. So number one, you go to marketing here and social planner. Here you'll see that there's a social plus. Just connect your Facebook, blah blah blah. It's gonna ask you some questions. Then select on the page. Then it should show up here. That's good. Now, what we're gonna do is here in the marketing, we're gonna create a social media post or content post, and I'm gonna show you how fast can you build a post here. So I'm gonna click here, Content AI. Our beloved friend AI is also here to help, and let's talk about like what kind of post do we want to share. Number one is educational post to show how food and beverage business can benefit from automation tools like Zapier, Make, N8N, and how much our society has evolved in embracing AI and automation to boost efficiency in place. All right, what do you want to achieve? Educate, and I want them to engage with the post by raising questions and grow my brand's visibility. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, give me two variations. Okay, I want them to comment. Targeting a post, small food and business owner, food and beverage business owners, and age, I don't know, 20 to 55, I would say. Extra details for AI: don't use emoji, be humanistic in your wordings, no M dashes, target their pain points, and use emotions. Yeah, that's all that I want. Generate image. It's not an image, it's a content post. Let's see what it has for us. Okay, let's wait for it to load. While we're waiting for this, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell this one, create, give me an AI prompt for the image of this content post in Facebook. Use 30 words only. All right. Now I'm gonna go back here. Where is my Nope, not there. Here. Still generating. All right. So juggling your daily demands, food, beverage business. I told it not to use M dashes, but that's fine. Okay. From tracking inventory, fulfilling orders, blah blah blah. Cool. So why more business order? Okay. Well, this is good enough. You can use this. I'm not gonna check that. It's just for testing purposes. And this one, I'm gonna use that to generate the image here. So society has come to a point where we don't have to think that much. There's pros and cons into it, but the pros of it is we can deploy faster. We can provide our service faster with the help of AI. It's just that the stimulants of our brain has, decreased with our dependencies to AI. I don't know if there's any long-term effect for that. But anyway, all right, so what happens here? I'm gonna click a page here. I'm gonna go to image, create image using AI as well. But I think AI is good for suggestions or giving you a direction in terms of logical reasoning. But in terms of like making final decisions, I think it should be us humans who should still have the final say in everything. And number one, important thing to do that is to check everything that the AI gives back to you. If it gives you, I mean, just for this as an educational video, I didn't check everything from start to finish, but every time you ask AI to do something for you, it's your responsibility to counter check everything and make sure it's realistic and factual, because too much depend on AI, again, also bad for you. But anyway, just for this exercise, I'm gonna post that. And let's refresh this page. All right, it's here now. This is the latest post that we created. All right, now next thing is we're gonna set up an automation wherein if someone comments this, it's gonna send them a link to download the PDF guide or something. So I'm gonna go to automation. Actually, I already built this a couple of minutes ago. Actually, this is the second video that I'm doing. The first video, I filmed it for like 17 minutes and I wasn't able to process the entire video. It's not loading for me, so I had to record it twice. So anyway, I'm gonna go here, Facebook DM automation, and basically how I built this sequence, very simple. Number one, if someone comments on this Facebook page, which is called Bazaar, and the post type is a published post, and their comment contains the phrase or words such as how, capital H how, and how with a question mark, that's a trigger. So if someone posts that comment, do this. It's gonna send them a message like here. Here's your link to your PDF guide. Fill out the form to be able to download the PDF. Thank you. Here's the link. Yeah, I'm gonna save that. And actually we're gonna test it right now. So I'm gonna go to Facebook. I'm gonna comment here as Daniel. And I'm just gonna comment. Now after that comment, the automation should run as expected. I should be in the execution logs. All right, this is me. Did I enter the execution log? All right, I entered the execution log, meaning I entered the workflow. So this page should message me back. And I just received this message. Here's a link to the PDF. Please fill out the form to be able to download the PDF. Here's the link. Now, question. Why not just send them the PDF instead of asking them to go to the link? I mean, it's a longer route, right? So actually, when we started this video, I told you, bring your business in Facebook and social media so you can take advantage of the market that's already been here. And how you can take advantage of that is, number one, you don't just want them to get things easily. You need to take advantage of it by giving the site your website here instead of the actual PDF. You're doing three things that are beneficial for you. Number one, you're driving traffic to the website, which is good for the performance of the site. Number two, you're selling them your business without you even saying a single word. If your website is designed for conversion, where it does the sales talk for you, you don't even have to do the sales physically. Like for example, you have a strong header, and as you scroll down, all right, you've worked with these brands, And here's the problem statement that I can relate it. Then as I scroll down, wow, you have the 10-step program. It does the sales for you, meaning less work. And third is before they can download the PDF, they would have to fill out this form where they're going to input their name, phone number, email. After they press this one, it's going to give them the PDF in their email. The good thing about this is you're getting access to their contact information, which will enter your CRM, the engine. If they fill out the form, it's going to enter in this contact field, and you can easily tag them as warm or hot lead because you know that they're interested because they commented, they gave you an engagement, they actually went to the website, read everything, and submitted a form. Meaning you can create a drip campaign or an email campaign to follow up or nurture those leads. Like say, after 2 days, we're able to read the PDF. We're happy to hear your thoughts on how it can impact your business, blah, 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 and do your sales after that. Would you like to schedule a call? This is the third day. We haven't heard back from you. Would be happy to explore your pain points and actually demo to you the system that we're offering. Would you be interested to a 15-minute call? Here's our link. So by getting their contact information, you can do your marketing and sales, and that's the beauty of it. Creating a process like one by one. So imagine what we did. We created a Facebook page, then created a post. And what we did with the post, if you commented in this post, we're going to give you a link to access our PDF. So you attack the lead or you attack them at multiple fronts. You're driving traffic and engagement in your Facebook and your social media. You're also driving traffic in your website. You were able to get their contact information. Then you were able to give them the lead magnet, which they're going to get a lot of value from. And fifth is, after they read the lead magnet, they're going to see that, hey, this guy knows what they're talking about. They're kind of like, they're very professional. They're very meticulous in their process. I like how they do things. Let's do business. And six is conversion. That's the whole point of this one. And yeah, actually, that's a lot to take. I initially just wanted to, do the comment automation, but I wanted to expand a little bit and show you the entire process of how we can do big things with just a simple automation. Actually, the automation is just two-step. It's not really that big, but the concept behind it, the process behind it, is a lot that it's going to give a lot of wins for you, for your client, and for your leads. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this, I'm going to post more educational videos in the future. And always stay in tune with our school community. Go to school.com and search for Let Go Boss. We have our weekly coaching calls every Thursday. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot from this one, and see you next time. Let Go Boss.